Hi, it's Dr. Kelsey Bells, and I have our front desk here, Naomi, and we are here to demonstrate 5 advanced techniques you can use to help create core stability. This is going to be a great addition after you've been healing for a little while, specifically from low back or SI joint pain. These are going to be some advanced techniques that you can use to help strengthen and stabilize this to prevent that injury from returning. The first exercise we're going to demonstrate is a modified plank. So Naomi, go ahead and take that plank position. Good. Okay, in a plank position, one of the main things that you want to pay attention to is that your hips are not up in the air and that your spine is level. You also want your wrists right below your shoulder. Now for the modification to make it more advanced, you're going to alternate dropping down to your elbows and then coming back up to your hands. So in that one, she went down to her elbow on the right side first. We want you to alternate each time. So for the second one, drop to your left elbow and then back up. Repeat that 10 times. You can relax. Now, the second exercise we're going to demonstrate is a side plank. There is an easier version and a harder version. So first, Naomi is going to demonstrate the easier version. So go into a side plank on your right elbow and from your knees. Good. Really looking to lift that hip from the ground right here. Also making sure that the spine is in alignment this direction where her hips are not at an angle. Now, Naomi, go ahead and take it to the advanced position where your legs are straight. This one you're going to lift from the ankles, still keeping that straight midline and making sure the spine is neutral. Hold that plank position for starting with 30 seconds and work up to 1 minute each side. The next technique that we're going to do is more of a stretch, and it's called child's pose. Let's go ahead and take child pose. You're going to extend your arms out and then really sit your hips back into your pelvis. Now, we can modify this by addressing a left side or a right side depending on where your pain is. So go ahead and reach your arms over to the right. And this is going to help stretch out the left side of the spine, holding that for 30 seconds, and then go to the opposite side. Leaning to the left is going to target right low back pain and open up the right side of the spine. Hold the center or a side position for as long as it feels necessary to feel that release. That could be 30 seconds to up to 90 seconds. Great. Now, the last two in this series is going to be based on a dead bug. So Naomi is going to position herself on her back with her head up. That way. Okay, so from here, she's going to raise both of her legs into the air. And already in this position, you should feel your core muscles start to work. The first one is going to be a heel tap. So go ahead and tap this heel to the ground. Good, and bring it back. And now tap this one to the ground. So that's the first version of a dead bug that we can begin. And then we're going to progress to toe taps. Now tap your toe. Good, and a toe tap. Great. Now the last way to advance the dead bug is with a stability ball. Go ahead and hold the stability ball right here. Put your hands just like this. Good. And now you're going to keep the stability ball there, but release this hand and tap this knee. Good. And alternate. What the stability ball does is it makes sure that you're not cheating and you're only moving the opposite sides. Great. Okay, so those are the 5 advanced techniques that you can implement at home to help create core stability and strength if you're experiencing any low back or SI joint issues. If you have any questions about what you watched in this video, please schedule an appointment with a chiropractor and we'd be happy to answer it.